Now guys, you can also do A/B testing using the experiments feature we have inside Microsoft. So you just go to the campaign, okay, and select the campaign where you want to do A/B testing. For example, if I just click on this app install, okay, and I want to test this particular campaign, so I will just click on this experiment option at the very bottom, click on that option. So now it will just going to split a campaign's budget and traffic, creating a duplicate and the experiment with, okay. You can just click on the create option, app install campaign, okay, and what will be the start date and end date, you can put that here, okay, and test it out maybe for 10 days or what. And from here you can just split the campaign 50-50. That means 15 original campaign budget is 15,000, okay. So if you will put 50%, so half will be spent in original and half in the experiment, and then you guys can test which is performing great, okay. So now just click on this save button, create an experiment that uses a share budget, okay. Okay. So let me just choose some other campaign. For example, let's go with the remarketing, okay. I will select the remarketing. I will just click on the experiment. I will click on create option. You can just do all these things, click on the save button. Let's wait. Now you guys can see one experiment campaign has been created successfully. Now if you to go inside this campaign, you just have to click on this campaign, and then you will going to find all the settings and everything related to this particular campaign, okay. So here you guys can see the original campaign and experiment campaign is split 50-50%. Now you can just go inside the ads for this experiment campaign, okay. Now just go to the ad of the experiment one, and here you can change anything. For example, if I click on this edit option, so from here maybe you guys can test, or maybe you guys can just go to setting, and maybe you are confused that which uh, that means which bidding will going to help, okay. For example, it's maximize conversion selected, you can test it out to, let's say, enhance CPC, or maybe let's say maximize clicks, okay. And then when you will going to click on the save button, so now what will going to happen, your original campaign will going to work with the maximize conversion, and your experiment will going to work with the bidding strategy of enhanced CPC, and you can see how the performance is, okay. So I'm just trying to teach you with the teaching purpose, okay. Just click on the save button, and I always advise each and every one of you guys to only change one particular factor, okay. And you can see right now this campaign in the experiment, you can end the experiment as well directly from the here as well, okay. So that's how the your experiment campaigns go, okay. And if you now see here under your campaign, one is the original campaign and another one is the experiment one, and you can see the campaign budget has been splitted, and you can now see the performance of these two campaigns and see which is performing great, okay. So I suggest you guys to run this for at least 15 days, both the experiment campaigns, and after 15 days you see the performance which is giving you best result, and whatever campaign will going to give you best result. For example, our original is giving the best result as compared to experiment, so you can just pause this after 15 days, you can pause this experiment one, okay. So this is how you guys can experiment, by the way, okay. So this is the functionality which you guys can use, and as I have mentioned, whenever you create any campaign in experiment, So you just have to change only one factor. Okay, if you will going to change, let's say, title as well for the original campaign, you will change the image as well, maybe you will also change the bidding strategy. So after 15 days you will actually will not come to know that what is the factor that is giving you the best result. So that's why only change one factor for 15 days in experiment and see which is giving you best result. And then after 15 days you can create another experiment, and there you can change some other parameters like title or maybe some image or landing page URL. Okay, so that's how it goes. Okay, so hope you guys have somehow understood the concept we have regarding the experiment, and using that how you can do A/B testing for your campaigns. Okay.